How to fix Valorant error code 152. In this video I will show you two method, hope it will work for you. First, open services. Locate VGC and open it. In Startup, type select Automatic and click on Start the Services. Press Apply and then OK. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and click on Setting. Click on Apps. Click on Installed Apps. In search, type Vanguard. Click on 3 dot and click on Uninstall. After uninstalling, open Valorant and it will automatically reinstall Vanguard for your game. And this will fix your problem.